This stream has led downhill to a very large body of water. So we don't know what the landing is going to be like when we get there. Hopefully it's a good area, because I wanted to find somewhere where it's just somewhere you can just walk right to the water without climbing down hills or climbing through a bunch of bushes. So these dogs have been handling this obstacle course very well. We're gonna go to this body of water. We're gonna try to get these dogs to go inside of it. Hey, calm down. That's some water right there. Trying to take a dip. It's gonna get pretty muddy right here. It's sediment, but I think if we go down any further, it's all the same. King ain't never been in the water before. You can't swim. None of them can swim.
Yeah, they can. It is shallow.
That shit ain't shallow. His ass will go right under.
This is right here. You can see the ground right there.
And a couple more feet out, he's underwater.
I'm quite sure he can swim.
Babe, he is all muscle. He ain't never seen water in his life.
All right, let's try it. I don't know why you're
Don't have to
scared.
go in there and save him.
How you figure? Let it go, see. See what happens.
This ain't gonna go. This might not go well.
You don't have faith in your dogs?
Nah, well, nah, this the hell no. These dogs can't swim, baby.
They swim in Gwyn's Falls.
No, they don't.
First person go in the water. The person he think can't swim.
I guarantee you they can't swim.
He's like a hippo.
You know.
He enjoying himself. He doesn't want to come out.
Yeah, he
The
got
big
the hell up
hippo
out of there.
whipple. See, it's not that deep.
Babe, that nigga's up to his neck. If he goes out one more foot, he's going under.
He can swim. Look at him.
Hey, this nigga cannot swim. He is all solid muscle. No animal that
So why he keep going back in there? The hippos can swim.
hippos are have hollow bones and are blubber. He's coming right now. No, baby. I don't want to go out too far. Too far.
You don't have to throw it too far.
The nigga just went under right there. No,
All right, here.
No, baby.
Hold this.
I already see 6 out there. But remember, even if I go out there, there's no guarantee that I can get him back over.
So what was the point of you bringing them to a large body of water?
You gotta learn how to swim first, babe.
He learning
He
how
went
to
under.
swim.
Get on. Come here.
Milan's trying to figure out a way to get to the water.
We're not stupid here. That's like calling the most dieselest bodybuilder in the world and thinking he can swim in a lake. Bodybuilders can't swim like that.
Well, guess what? He's loving it.
He went under for a
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
second and had to swim.
He's loving it. See, he's like a hippo. He has hollow bones and blubber.
No, you don't.
King Kong.
Look, you might go under again.
Hippo
swimming now.
whipple. Hippo
That
whipple.
nigga swimming. Holy shit! That
But oh
nigga's
my
still
God,
swimming.
he's going drowned.
Hey, you see his ass turn back around.
He got what he needed. He knows how to doggy paddle. It's in their blood. They're born with the doggy paddle. It's named after him.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean he ain't gonna panic out there doggy paddling.
Shit.
That nigga was swimming.
Milan, get out there. Be a dog. Get wet.
As far as we're going too.
Hippo whipple.
I know some people are probably thinking, yo, do these niggas, do they got some damn bears swimming over there? Somebody put a stop gun. He is deep. He definitely was swimming. I'm not gonna like force him to swim though, babe. We'll let him do that on his own. Look at him, he's fighting the water.
He's looking for sticks in the water.
Look. He's gonna get bigger though. That's the thing. All right, he went swimming. That's not